In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove contacts from lists on HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to find the right contact and delete it cleanly so your lists stay accurate and up to date. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. If you see the trial guide panel on your screen, that's a handy way to jump into key areas. Open that panel, then look for the More option. Clicking More expands additional categories you might not see at first glance, which is helpful if you're still getting familiar with the layout. From there, choose CRM. This takes you into the core customer relationship area where your records live. Once you're in CRM, head into Contacts. This is your central index of people in your database. You can scroll through the list, use the search bar at the top to find someone by name or email, or apply filters if you need to narrow things down. Taking a second to confirm you've got the correct person is important, especially if you have multiple records with similar names. When you find the contact you want to remove, click their name to open the contact record. This gives you a full view of their details and associations, like deals or companies. It's a good moment to double check whether the record is still needed, or if there's any information you might want to export before proceeding. Next, click Delete. Depending on your view, you'll either see Delete as a button or inside an Actions menu. HubSpot will usually prompt you to confirm. Read the confirmation message carefully. Deleting a contact removes that record from your CRM and, as a result, from all lists it belongs to. That means the person will no longer appear in any static or active lists. They'll stop triggering workflows tied to list membership, and historical reporting may change. In many accounts, deleted contacts can be restored for a limited time, but after the retention window passes, the deletion becomes permanent. If your true goal is only to take someone out of a specific list and keep the contact in your database, consider adjusting that list's criteria or removing the person directly from the list, instead of deleting the entire record. Deleting is best when the contact should no longer exist in your CRM at all. That's it. You navigated through the trial guide, opened CRM, went to Contacts, selected the contact, and clicked Delete. Keep your database tidy by reviewing contacts regularly, and always confirm you're deleting the right record before you proceed.